In this video, Tower. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up Quantower, and to actually be able to perform this connection with Rithmic, you will of course have to have a Rithmic account as well, and you'll have to have your login credentials. Now, once you have that, and once you have your Rithmic account set up, you want to go ahead, open up Quantower, and then up here, you'll see a bunch of different things. And then over here to the very right, to the left of these settings and comments over here, you'll see it says Rithmic disconnected. Click on this one, and then this is going to open up this panel where, as you can see, you'll be able to perform your connection. Now, one of the connections over here, in case it doesn't open up right away, is Rithmic. So look for it over here, click on Rithmic, and then here you can put in your username, so basically your user credentials, and then your password, so your password credentials, and then here you have to select a server. So of course, they have many servers. You will know which one you have to use because it will tell you inside your account where you'll be able to see your login credentials. If you simply want, for example, paper trading, you'll be able to have this paper trading Chicago area or a bunch of different ones as well. And then once you're ready with this, just press connect over here and your Rithmic will be connected to Quantower. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.